Testing scapular adduction against gravity position. Patient will be prone with the shoulder approximately 90 degrees, elbow also approximately 90 degrees. So bring those up for me, Owen. Just like that, there we go. Now, Owen, what I want you to do is I want you to have, with this arm, I want you to bring this arm as close to the ceiling as you can. So bring it towards the ceiling. Now bring it back down. Because he's able to do this against gravity, I will rate him as at least a 3. Now I want you to come about halfway, Owen. Now I will apply resistance on the vertebral border of the scapula, pushing him into a abduction. So go ahead and resist me, Owen. 3, 2, 1. Let that back down. According to how much he resists me, I will rate him as a 4 or a 5. Testing scapular adduction. Patient will be in a seated position with the arm supported just like this. What I will have my patient do is perform shoulder abduction or scapular abduction while in this position. So go ahead and do that for me. Now bring it back. Because he's able to have any range of motion here, we know that is at least a grade 2. If he does not have any range of motion, I will palpate the middle trapezius or the rhomboids found on the vertebral border of the scapula. If I feel these muscles firing, that is a grade 1, and if I do not feel them firing, that is a grade 0.